Babe, that's some crap. Because I'm always in this neighborhood in the dark, and you don't wait up for me. Babe, what is this about? Oh, please don't tell me this is about how he grabbed.
You probably a punk too. Only punks join gang.
Oh, that's what you think? I joined the gang because I'm a punk? Well, hear me, and hear me good. Because some Zulus came to me, put a gun in my head, and told me I had to join the gang.
Case in point, Jim, why don't you trust your girl? Because he did the reasons not to. You know how many times he cheated on me? Okay, that's the key word, cheated. Since he's been out of jail, has he given you any reason not to trust him? No, but...
Okay, you know that we all need a purification. I know that's not cleansing. Did he wash you before?
Wait. So let me ask you this: do you love him? Really? Or do you just love what he can do for you?
I'm Earl Stanton, and I play the character of Mo. Mo is a child that doesn't know his father. So he's on a quest to get out of the gang and find out who his true dad is. His mom dropped him off with somebody that he has no idea who he is, that they believe could be his father. But that's about it. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all for right now. Y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Come out to this show on Saturday. Y'all gonna really be impressed.
Hi, my name is Shannon Kimmer, and in the play Tangles, I play the character of Trina. This is a show that you just do not want to miss. We laughed, we cried, we laughed some more. If you do not have your tickets, you need to get them yesterday. The show will be held at the Arts Bank on Saturday, June the 6th. There are 2 shows, 3 or 6. I'm telling you, you want to be there.
Everybody, what's going on? My name is Lee Lacey. I'll be playing Richard and Thug Number 2. Thug Number 2 kind of speaks for itself. Richard is more so a corporate guy. He's married and he has a side chick that know about each other. I can't give y'all too much because you got to be there to see it. June 6th. If you're not there, you're not nowhere. Ladies, Father's Day is the following weekend. Make sure you bring all your husbands and your boyfriends out for this play. It's definitely a special treat and a gift.